Howdy, my name is Elizabeth Jaime. I am in Chem 119, Section 574, and for my semester project, I will be demonstrating how to draw a Lewis structure. The first step in drawing a Lewis structure is to find the total number of valence electrons in the molecule or compound. Then you identify the central atom, which is the least electronegative. Step 3 is to identify any exceptions to the octet rule. Exceptions to the octet rule include molecules with an odd number of valence electrons, molecules in which atoms have more than 8 valence electrons, and molecules which are electron deficient. Step 4 is to bond outside atoms to central atom with a single bond. Step 5 is to place electrons on outside atoms. And step 6 is to count the number of total electrons to check if double or triple bonds are needed. Finally, do a check of the valence electron count. Let's draw a Lewis structure for phosphorus pentachloride. Using our periodic table, we can see that phosphorus has 5 valence electrons and chlorine has 7. We add the number of total valence electrons, remembering that there are 5 chlorine atoms in the molecule. This gives us a total of 40 valence electrons. Then we must determine our central atom. With our periodic trends, we can see that phosphorus is less electronegative than chlorine, and therefore phosphorus will be our central atom. We then bond each chlorine atom to phosphorus using a single bond. Here we can see that phosphorus has 10 valence electrons. But according to the exceptions of the octet rule, phosphorus is in period 3, therefore it is an exception to the octet rule. We will then subtract the number of electrons used to bond the atoms together from the total number. This number is 10 because each bond is 2 electrons and there are 5. We then start distributing electrons so that each chlorine atom has 8 valence electrons total. Once that is done, we count the total number of valence electrons and see that it is 40, which is the number that we started with, meaning that our Lewis structure is correct. Thanks for watching and giggle.